Previously on Transformers Prime.
With the power of the Matrix no longer within him, it would stand to reason that Optimus has reverted to his pre-Prime state. A high-frequency signal with an embedded message. Where is Optimus?
Unless you know where Megatron's hiding his space bridge.
Space bridge? They actually finished building it without my supervision!
Once we secure the space bridge, we'll send for Jack.
You three need to hold it long enough for Jack and me to get to Cybertron and back.
How could I possibly be Optimus Prime?
Vector Sigma's true location is shrouded in myth and rumor, Jack. It is said the path of the Primes leads there.
We must be close. Vector Sigma's down here?
Kaon didn't always belong to the Decepticons. Megatron took it as their capital, apparently without ever realizing what lay beneath their feet.
Being attacked by some kind of giant bot beetle.
An Insecticon.
A what? What are Decepticons doing on Cybertron?
A few remained in stasis. Sentries, should the enemy return.
Jack, go!
Seriously?
Without RC? She's his guide.
No, Nurse Darby. RC is Jack's backup. The key card is his guide.
Do it! Listen to her, Jack. You've made it this far. Optimus is counting on you.
Roger that, Mom.
Orion, have you made progress with Project Iacon? It seems I am a bit rustier than I thought.
Might that have anything to do with the nature of your after-hours research? Did I fail to mention that we would be tracking your activities?
Why does history portray me siding with the Autobot aggressors? And why did Starscream call me a Prime? I must know. Who am I?
You are my clerk. Now get back to work and decode that database.
No. I would rather erase my findings than make them available for your questionable use.
Did you really think that we wouldn't be tracking and documenting every iota of your invaluable research? One of our sentries was activated on Cybertron.
You told me our planet was dead.
That is beside the point. Guards! You will finish Project Iacon by the time I return, or I will carve out your spark before your very eyes. The activity log indicates my space bridge was set for Cybertron and remains open. The only possible reason the Autobots would take such a risk would be to restore their precious Optimus Prime.
Hey everyone, I'm in.
Sweet!
Commencing download, I think.
Soon, Optimus.
No one told you to stop, Pax.
I believe Megatron intends to use whatever he finds in Project Iacon to harm the Autobots. Please, we can warn them.
This is taking a while.
Of course it is. We are talking about the collective wisdom of the Primes.
What's a scraplet?
Why did it have to be scraplets?
If they chew through Vector Sigma before the Matrix fully reloads...
So, Vector Sigma is more than legend. You Autobots have gone to impressive lengths to recover your leader. Be assured, I shall never underestimate you again. Now, I assume the one called RC will be stepping through that portal with a reloaded matrix of leadership in hand.
We hold the space bridge at all costs.
You're going down, Buckethead!
Jack?
Oh, no, don't quit now! Or see. Back off, bug! Hey guys! The main course! I have the Matrix.
Let's roll.
have to admit, it's a privilege to stomp the former leader of the Autobots.
No, please, stop. Enough. I'm armed.
We're almost there.
Ratchet, we have the Matrix. We're coming through. Ratchet? Something's wrong.
We can't not go through, can we?
Come, RC, so that I might end the lineage of the Primes for all time.
I cannot allow that to happen, Megatron.
And why should you care, Orion Pax? You are no Prime.
That may be true, or yet another deception. But this much I do know. My sympathies lie with the Autobots, and you are not one of us.
Your spark may be in the right place, Orion. But you have much to learn before you can hope to ever again stand your ground against me. A moment, sadly, which shall never come.
Are you certain I am worthy?
You have no idea.
How nice of you to join our little reunion. Now, if you please, the Matrix.
Megatron? Be gone! Ratchet, how did we arrive here?
Long story, old friend.
Base to RC. We're reading 5 Autobot life signals down there. Is Prime with you?
And Jack.
Yes!
It's ours!
Autobots, fall back!
This time, he's coming with us.
Optimus?
Hello, Raphael.
The big guy remembers us! Woohoo!
Although it seems there is much I do not remember.
Optimus, it has truly been our darkest hour. But know this. From every indication, your spark never ceased being that of an Autobot.